Hello, let us start with the installation of Jenkins. So to install the Jenkins, we have to download the Jenkins. So first we'll go on the Jenkins official website, and here we can see that pkg.jenkins.io, and we are into the Red Hat section. So all the versions of Jenkins are available here. So we'll get the Jenkins for the Red Hat, and the same package will work for the CentOS as well. So we'll run the command wget-o and that repo. So we'll copy the command wget and we'll come on our terminal and just download it. So we'll check through ls, and we can see here in ls minus ltr. So in this previous command which we have executed, it will going to add the repo not in the current directory, but it will add into the etc yum.repos.d. So we'll move here yum.repos.d, and here we can do the Jenkins cat. So this repository got added and its gpg check 1 is there, so we need to import the key. So we'll use the command rpm hyphen hyphen import, and after that the name of the website from where the key is there. Now we'll run. So Jenkins base URL is configured and the repository name is Jenkins. Now we have to install the Jenkins package. So repo is configured successfully. Now let's install yum install Jenkins. So this will start the installation from the Jenkins repository. So it will take a few minutes to get installed. So we can see that the package Jenkins is already found here, and it's saying that it will be going to install. So here it says package name Jenkins and the version is 2.76. Repository is coming from Jenkins and total size is 70 MB only. Now it's asking for permission. We'll say yes. This is okay to install. Now it's downloading the package. So installation is in progress. So it's about to install the Jenkins, and now installation is completed. It's verifying the Jenkins. It's like a few seconds to verify, and it finally says completed. So now we have successfully installed the Jenkins package. Now let us start the service. We'll say system ctl start Jenkins, and just give enter. So it will going to start the service. Now let us check the status. So it says Jenkins service is active and running, and fine. Now let us make the service on at boot time. So it's executing sbin check config Jenkins on. That's fine. Now let us list the service whether it's enabled in boot time or not. So we'll say sbin check config, and the service name is Jenkins. We'll say hyphen hyphen list. So here it says It's on in all the different run levels. Now we have to make sure port 8080 is open. So we'll say metstat tunlp and we'll say grep to Java because Java process will be listening on port 8080 and this whole Jenkins is developed in Java. So we have to ensure this port is running and the service name Java is listening on port 8080. Now it's time to check our Jenkins from the web browser from other systems. So we get this system and from here we'll type the IP address and we'll make the query on port 8080. Now when we do this first time, it will ask us to unlock the Jenkins. So this page will come, unlock Jenkins. So we have to copy this file, the location of this file, and on the server, we'll read this file for the password. So we got an password. We'll copy this password and paste it over here. Now it unlocking the Jenkins for us. Let's take a few minutes to initialize the settings. Now it says customize Jenkins, install the suggested plugin. So by default, it will start installing the suggested plugin. So it's configuring all required plugin and it's completed. The first time it will ask us to create admin account. So we'll say here admin account as a admin1 and we'll set the password and we have to re-enter the same password. So we have set up the first admin account and it's give us a message Jenkins is ready. We have to click on start using Jenkins. So it will take few seconds and it will load on the welcome page. So this is welcome to Jenkins and here we'll going to create a project and we'll do our build test and all the admin things we can do from here. Thank you.